Hey everyone, it's Vanessa from the Wreath Coach. Today we're going to be making this adorable heart-shaped eucalyptus wreath for Valentine's Day. Let's get started. First, you're going to need 7 silver dollar eucalyptus stems. These ones that I used are 27.5 inches long. The top half is the eucalyptus leaves, and then the bottom half is just a bare stem. Then you're going to need some floral wire, a pair of scissors, and some pretty ribbon to go with it. I use this really skinny pink ribbon, but you can use a thicker one if you'd like as well. We're going to take one of our stems and we're going to just start shaping that heart. So we're going to bend the right side of that heart. The top leaves are going to make that first sort of curve, and then the bottom line is going to make the bottom of the heart, connecting to that straight tip. Since these branches are one-sided, I'm going to flip the branch upside down, and then I'm going to curve it with that original branch just to make sure that they are both the same shape, both the same size. And then when you flip it, you have a perfect size heart. They're both equal on each side. Once you're happy with that, you're going to start filling in that bottom part of the heart, and all you're going to do is flip a stem upside down, and then the bottom part of the stem is going to be used to curve up back to the top of that heart. And this is just going to help with securing the shape overall and ensuring that when you hang that wreath, it is going to stay in one shape. So it's just a little bit of extra support to make sure, since we're not using any sort of wreath base here. I wanted a little bit more fullness to my wreath, so I'm adding 2 more stems to the top curves of the wreath. And don't have to worry about that bottom wire stem. You can just tuck it underneath the other leaves there. Everything is very easy to move around, so you can play around with it and hide everything very easily. Next up, we're going to start securing everything together. So I'm pushing aside the eucalyptus leaves, and then these points at the bottom with the 4 stems, I'm just going to sort of curve them up and get them to intertwine ever so gently. It doesn't have to be glued or anything. I just like to keep them secure a little bit. And then we're going to do the same thing up at the top in the center of the 2 curves of that heart as well. Once those 2 points are secured and connected, then you're going to go around the entire wreath and just add a little bit of floral wire just to make sure that all of the stems are attached together and the whole shape is nice and secure. Once everything is nice and secure, you can take a look at the wreath and make sure that you're happy with the fullness. I'm spotting some bare pieces here, so I'm just taking that last 7th stem, and because there are 3 different pieces to it, I'm just breaking them apart, and then I can be deliberate in my placement of them. So on the left here, about halfway up, I'm going to add a couple of those pieces just to add a little bit more fullness, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the right side of that heart wreath. Again, just want to make sure that it's nice and full and that it doesn't look too sparse. Okay, our shape is done. Now it's time for that final little accent with our pretty little ribbon. I like to measure out the tails first. So I got 1 tail, 2 tail, and then I like to do the hoops as well before I actually cut that ribbon, just to make sure that I don't have too much or not enough ribbon cut before I start my bow. So I'm going to give this a cut, and then I'm going to just make a really simple bow tie on the top of the wreath, and it's going to be very droopy because that's the nature of this ribbon, but you can do something with wire in the ribbon and it be a little bit more structured. I just thought this was really cute and delicate for this wreath. And there you are, a really fun, easy do-it-yourself eucalyptus Valentine's Day wreath that you can do at home, and you can style this on your doors, or I'm going to style it here on this leaning mirror that I have. And then for a little fun extra Valentine's Day decoration, I'm just using these mirror markers and writing a little "Be Mine" with my wreath. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, give us a like and a follow, and be sure to tune in for more do-it-yourself videos and gardening tips.